ahead. Say hello to our little friend. Hey, Maxie. Hey, Max Poop. Max got on his new avocado. Check out my new avocado shoot on, mama. Say, hey, people. Hey, people. Say, hey, people. Say, we taking a ride to the store, bitch. We taking a ride. Yes, we are. Oh, he like, let me out of this thing. What's up, y'all? I got on my new pajamas I showed y'all in the last video. I am not turning the camera around right now. I ain't doing it, but today has turned into a clean the garage type of situation. Well, not a deep clean, but doing a little something. Y'all friend Miss Allen got stuff everywhere. Yeah, I'm telling on him. But he's great at cleaning up. So I ain't mad at all. Then decluttered, got my area that I work in cleared out. This stuff going to the storage. Meanwhile, oh, he about to jump out. Meanwhile, I'm trying to keep a grip on him, cause he just want to sniff around everywhere. I was showing the people how much stuff you got, babe.
How much stuff we got? Yeah.
How much stuff you got?
Oh, okay.
No, I mean, I don't think I talked about you too bad. I don't know too many people garage is just all put together. But don't you worry, all's coming. It's coming. Those are wood panels that we use at, what you call this wood, babe?
Plywood for the one.
Plywood that we put on the windows, like for if a hurricane comes. I don't know what area y'all live in, but we have to be hurricane ready down here in the south. But yeah, oh yeah, and that's my steamer that I used to use at the salon. It needs to go to the storage. But just a little light clean this morning. Look at Max helping. You know, come on, you know he could jump out. Man, you taking that stuff out? Okay. Come on, Max. Come on. Come on, Max, before he crush you. Come on. Come on, jump on out. Oh, Lord. Did y'all see the abuse? Come on, Max. Max, he was about to smash you. See, he was about to smash me, mama. He love to sunbathe usually. But all he been doing today is sniffing everything. Because unfortunately, we have a few stray dogs that, well, they're not stray dogs. They're dogs that has owners that likes to let them out with no leash. So they come in our yard and mess up our driveway. So this little sniff monster likes to go around and sniff behind them. There goes all our dirt. I can't wait till the spring to get our flowers back together. Max, look, peeing on it. See? Lord have mercy. Y'all check out the truck. Mr. Allen got this thing shining. He has a job to do today. I think an airport pickup. So he's already got it cleaned and gassed up and ready to go. I didn't want to be on camera, but I feel like I felt like I'll come speak to y'all. What's up? I've been working this morning. Doing some business stuff. Doing some inventory on products and working on a website. Trying to get things ready for the new line that will be launching soon. Anywho, this has turned into just like a all around do a little bit of this, a little bit of that today. So yeah, what y'all doing on y'all good Saturday? But let me go. This is too much of me, and I'm not put together. Truly a vlog today. He stay getting in trouble. So look, just how he do when he's scared. He don't want to walk by. Look how close he walking to the look. Don't be running over here to me.
Come on, man.
Come on, you in trouble. So doggone bad. I'm back, y'all. Headed to, what am I headed to do? Headed to pick up the car. Had to get the car serviced today. So we are headed to pick it up. So yeah, a little impromptu vlogging today. Probably grab something to eat and come back and do some cleaning and some more work. That's about it. All I have to have planned today. So yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Look at my boo up here helping this lady. This lady put on that step stool to do something under her truck, and she couldn't get to it. Mr. Allen was like, let me go see if this lady needs some help. Oh, he got to use the stool too, and he tall. That truck is raised up though. I can't believe this lady is driving this truck and trailer by herself. Wow. I applaud her. I love it. Anywho, I just thought this was sweet. Okay, guys, if you made it to this part of this video, I really appreciate it. But we ended up grabbing something to eat and just enjoying our time together. So I didn't get the footage. So yeah, I'm sorry. This video ends here, but I got some more good ones coming to you this week. Max and Milo actually met this week, so that'll be exciting. So yeah, just stay tuned until the next one. See you next time, guys.